today is the day we've been all waiting for. The Hollywood Tower of Terror. We're gonna do it today, for sure. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's a good day, nice weather. Let's get this done. It's so dark.
And legs inside the elevator at all times.
Go, baby.
And do take special care to supervise.
So fun.
Row 6. Alright.
You don't just get that like drop feeling. You just get that feeling like you're floating.
Put my ears on. I have a feeling that I didn't record it. Alright, we just finished doing Tower of Terror. I didn't record it. I thought I did. So that was fun. Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway.
Nothing can stop us now.
Rows 1 and 2. What?
You go, Mommy. I'll be right this way.
What could possibly go wrong?
Now, let's
Remember to gather all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step.
Okay, I thought I recorded Tower of Terror to give the best experience ever because I go above and beyond. Apparently I wasn't recording the whole thing because I was so scared. So it is 8:53, park closes in 7 minutes. So baby David and I are running to record this. So you can see point of view of Tower of Terror. Right.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator.
If you have any bags there, not to be in between you on that seatbelt, please, and thank you.
I want to be right
And everyone, my friend, I want the yellow towel. You'll find the front. Any else time my friends? Now everyone, both arms up, all the way up in the air. Perfect. It's good practice for later. Now be sure to keep all on. Side hands and feet inside the elevator at all times, please, and thank you. But if you need anything, scream.
When stormy night on the go, 5 people step to the door.
I've got the room. What's a scorpion?
That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you.
for the second time. No need to panic. No need to panic. Yeah, what she said.
Wait!
Oh my God, too fast.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Okay, seriously, that time was way scarier than the other time. Yeah, I was so anxious. All right, second time is the charm. We did it. We recorded it. Happy Earth Day, everyone. It's a nice day. We did Tower of Terror twice. First time failed to record, but it's okay. We did it. And now we are gonna head out. Hope everyone enjoyed watching us get scared on Tower of Terror. If you haven't got on it, wish you luck. It is a cool ride. Definitely recommend getting on it. All right, let me know in the comments what you guys think about Tower of Terror. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like. All right, take care. Bye.